Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a follow-up for a video that I did a few months ago when I was sitting in my car filling out my return form to send my Fashion Nova purchase back. Well, that video has gotten a lot of comments and a lot of you guys want to know how I sent my purchase back to Fashion Nova. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do so. Alright, so first we're going to start off, and I'm looking at my phone by the way. We're going to start off by going to Fashion Nova's website. So Fashion Nova, and they have actually sent me a reminder that I have a $44 credit, which I haven't used because I told y'all why. Oh, am I in focus? I feel like if I use it again, I'm going to buy something that I'm not going to like, and then I'm going to spend another $13 to send it back. So, whatever. Okay, so now I'm on Fashion Nova's website, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Easy Returns. Now, the online return policy reads that if you're not happy with your purchase and you like to return your items, then you can send it back to their distribution center. It goes over some more information, like as far as what can be sent back. It says my items must be unworn, unwashed, and have original tags, must be sent back within 30 days of the delivery date, not the day that you actually ordered it. Free of makeup, stains, deodorant. So basically don't wear your stuff and send it back. When you keep scrolling all the way down to where it says okay, where it says returns by mail, it says complete the returns request form included in your original packaging or by downloading and printing this form. And if you look at it really carefully, this form is a hyperlink. Fashion Nova, if you're watching this, you should probably put that in red or whatever color you want to put it into. Anyway, yeah, so if you click on this form, it takes you to the little card which you saw in my packaging when I first got mine. It is just a card. You fill it out with your name, let me see, your order number, your name, address, email number, telephone number, and then on the side you put the description of the article of clothing. Then there's like a little code at the bottom as to why you didn't want it, and then right here, you won't be able to see it, but you'll see it on the screen. Right here it says Fashion Nova Returns. That's the address that you send it to. So I sent mine through USPS, and actually if we go back and read it, they recommend that you send it back through USPS also. Down at the bottom it says all return shipping charges must be prepaid. We do not accept COD, which is cash on delivery, and they will be rejected. We recommend sending your returns via USPS flat rate with insurance and your tracking info. So yeah, that's how it works. They give you a Fashion Nova e-gift card, and they say that they will process it and to allow up to 5 to 7 business days for your e-gift card to be sent to your email address. So there's some more stuff on here. You guys can read it yourself, but I promised a few people that I would make a more detailed video on how to get that card, where to send it back to, and how to send it back. So just go to your local post office, get the flat rate box or bag, whatever your clothes can fit into. That way you'll have insurance, you'll have tracking, and it's just one flat rate. So I hope this helps. If you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will talk to you guys on the next upload. Bye guys.